North Korea, a country hermetically sealed off from the outside world, has always captured the world's attention. Behind its heavily guarded borders, the country is full of mystery and unrelenting propaganda. Their leader, Jong Un, is a figure rarely seen in person, but his actions are always in the spotlight. Despite his relatively young age, speculation that he is grooming his heir is growing stronger. But who will succeed him? Jong Un is still in his prime, around 40 years old, but his lifestyle has raised many questions about his health. South Korea's National Intelligence Agency says that Kim is overweight. His weight is now estimated at 140 kilograms. He also suffers from metabolic diseases and has a heavy smoking habit. In 2020, the world was rocked by news of Jong Un's disappearance for weeks.
Where is North Korean leader Jong Un? He hasn't been seen in public for more than 2 weeks now.
At that time, Reuters reported that a medical delegation from China was flown to North Korea to provide emergency treatment. This situation is reminiscent of his father, Kim Jong-il, who also had a history of illness due to an unhealthy lifestyle. Kim Jong-il reportedly suffered from hypertension, diabetes, and gout, until he finally died at the age of 70. This history adds to concerns that Kim Jong-un may face a similar fate if his health does not improve. Kim Joo-a's name began to appear in public in November 2022. At that time, photos of her with Kim Jong-un were released by North Korean media. Although she was only about 9 years old at the time, Joo-ae had attracted worldwide attention as she was considered a symbol of the future of the Kim dynasty. This speculation is not without reason, because so far there has been nothing careless in the way North Korea presents itself to the outside world or to its own people. Joo-ae's appearance is also considered very symbolic. She appeared hand in hand with her father at the launch of North Korea's ballistic missile test. This appearance seems to imply that Kim Joo-ae is a symbol of strength, because the first time she appeared was near a missile, and missiles are perhaps the biggest symbol of the North Korean military. Kim Jong-un has not yet officially named his successor, but revealing his daughter now may be a way to test elite opinion in North Korea, a regime almost entirely populated by men. North Korea's patriarchal Confucian value system prohibits women from ruling. Based on this practice, the military will not take orders from women. But it looks like this view will slowly start to change, as Kim Jong-un is said to be laying the groundwork to eventually pass the baton to his daughter. In fact, according to South Korea's National Intelligence Agency, North Korean propaganda is aggressively building Kim Joo-ae's image, dubbing her Korea's Morning Star, a title previously used for Kim Il-sung, the founder of North Korea and Joo-ae's great-grandfather. While more than half of Kim Joo-ae's public appearances with her father are related to military activities, including overseeing drills and missile launches that reinforce the notion that she is the heir to the throne, there is other speculation. Kim Jong-un's appearance with his daughter is thought to be an attempt to build his image as the warm head of the family. This is aimed at gaining popular support amid North Korea's economic downturn, while Kim is spending heavily on ballistic missile programs and the development of nuclear capabilities, which are believed to be the most advanced and capable of reaching the mainland United States.
North Korean leader Kim Jong Un has vowed to strengthen the country's missile program following a series of tests.
Kim Jong-un is actually believed to have 3 children, but all are too young to lead. In fact, Joo-ae's older brother is rumoured to be disabled, as quoted by Al Jazeera. Meanwhile, his wife, Ri Sol-ju, is also unlikely to be the guardian of their child because she has no political role and is not part of an influential nuclear family. In addition, Kim has at least 2 nieces and nephews, children of his half-brother, Kim Jong Nam, who was assassinated in 2017. The eldest niece, Kim Han-sol, is now around 25 years old. However, he is unknown in North Korea, lives in hiding, and is the son of someone considered an enemy of the state. This makes it impossible for him to become an heir. Kim Jong Un also has an older brother, Kim Jong-chol. However, he was ignored by their father because he was deemed to lack the toughness needed to lead. Currently, Kim Jong-chol holds an insignificant political position, rarely appears in public, and is better known as a big fan of Eric Clapton concerts. Under such conditions, he will almost certainly not gain power, let alone be able to retain it if it is offered. In addition, there is Kim Jong-un's uncle, Kim Pyong-il, who was once sent into semi-exile as an ambassador in several Eastern European countries. After his retirement, Kim Pyong-il returned to Pyongyang. However, he had no political influence, ties to powerful factions, or relevant experience. His only advantage is that he is already 65 years old, but that means his reign will also be short, giving time for others' ambitions to flourish. But most likely, he won't be in charge either. Among all family members, the most likely successor is Kim Jong-un's sister, Kim Yo Jong. Kim Yo Jong has long been touted as an influential figure in North Korea's inner circle of power. Yo Jong first attracted international attention in 2018 when she attended the Winter Olympics in South Korea. She even became the first Kim family member to set foot on South Korean soil since the Korean War. Kim Yo Jong has a strong portfolio in government. She leads the Propaganda and Agitation Department, which is responsible for ensuring all North Koreans are loyal to the country's ideology and especially loyal to her brother. On many occasions, she has been seen accompanying Kim Jong Un on symbolic occasions, cementing her position as an important figure in the Kim dynasty. A more obvious sign is the 2019 photo of Mount Paektu. According to mythology, Mount Paektu is the place of origin of Korean people and culture. To claim their legitimacy as rulers, each leader of the Kim family always appears in propaganda on Mount Paektu. Kim Jong-un is often photographed there, but in this photo, Kim Yo Jong appears standing next to him. This photo is considered a big message from the regime to the people that he is part of the royal family. Even the star emblem seen on the horse only exists on horses belonging to the Kim family's siblings, which symbolizes the Paektu mountain dynasty, aka the Kim dynasty. This is also a reminder to the people that Kim Yo Jong has royal blood and has the right to rule North Korea if something happens to Kim Jong-un. The Kim dynasty is known for cleverly managing image and power transitions. Kim Jong-un himself was introduced to the public as a military strategist before taking over from his father. Something similar happened to Kim Jong-il, who was groomed as a successor for years. Some observers believe that if Kim Jong-un were to step down for health reasons, Yo Jong would most likely take over as interim leader. In this scenario, he would probably act as regent for Ju-ai until the little princess is old enough to lead. One thing is for sure, although Kim Jong-un has yet to make his choice, any move will greatly affect the stability of North Korea and the region. The world will continue to watch tensely every move of this most mysterious country, hoping that the next transition of power does not bring more turmoil.